forget to support the channel. Give a like, subscribe, click the bell icon, share and comment love. Hello everyone, hello my immortal beings, my dear hearts. Here I am again to share with you one more message that I felt in my meditation exercise. Get more and more in touch with the guidance of my soul, of my little one, dear love Pepé, my inner child, from my heart for all of you, my dear hearts. And today I'm going to read a message that's based on a phrase, on an idea that I heard from a Brazilian philosopher called Trigueirinho. Yeah, his idea is being in the world without being of this world. Yeah, that's really deep. I'm going to read the message now. We need to be aware that we are not this body, mental, emotional, and physical body, not this ego as well. Indeed, we experience the material world in Mother Earth with this physical, etheric, and same material, same physical body. Always remember that you are not your driver's license, that you are not your profession. Indeed, you are an immortal being of love energy, of infinite wisdom, co-creator of your own reality and part of the infinite universe. Yes, we are. Wake up, dear immortal beings. So powerful we are. Really, we are. Thank you. So, let's reflect about that message. The first thing, the connection of Trigueirinho phrase idea that is being in the world without being of this world. Yes. This idea helps me to wake up from my deep sleep state, to remember who really I am, who is my true self. So remember every day that we are not the physical body, we are the immortal being that came from love energy, that is love energy. Remember that really help us to understand, to acknowledge how powerful we are, how powerful the love energy is, and the worst thing, we bring the idea of love to low vibrations because we connected love with attachment. We are attached. People think the jealous feelings is the expressions of love. What is this? Jealous is so low vibration. The love energy is so powerful. Love energy creates all the infinite universe. Create us as immortal beings. That message helps us to remember that we are not this. We are animating this. We are much powerful. So wake up! You are not a victim. Wake up! You are love. You are not fear. Wake up! Only you have the power to change your reality, your experience. You just need to choose love. You just need to pay attention, to remember that you are an immortal being. And as an immortal being that knows how powerful the love energy is, we can take care about which level of energy we create our thoughts. So the better thing that helps us, and I'm trying to do that, is as possible as I can, as possible as I remember, moment by moment, is to be a observer. As the Trigueirinho ideas told us, being the world without being of this world. So pay attention about your mind, but remember, you are not your mind. You are immortal being, powerful being that controls that mind. A good idea to do is always try to pay attention and become an observer. Pay attention what's happened in your mind and change the level of vibration of energy of those ideas, of that mind, of what that mind is creating. But just as an observer, just pay attention without any judgments, any kind of judgments. Be neutral. Yeah? So, and acknowledge, forgive yourself about those bad ideas with low vibrations that we are creating in our mind. And then we'll learn to pay attention, to look at your mind with forgiveness, with love vibrations. And love vibrations will be more and more and more frequently in the creation of your ideas. How you understand the world around you. So you, with that neutral observation, with that forgiveness energy that you pay attention to your mind, you are going to create more and more and more moments with happiness, with serenity, with harmony, with abundance. And you will understand what's happened around you, what's happened with the humanity in the planet, but without totally any kind of judgments, only from the love perspective, as a immortal and higher being that is in the world, that's being the world without being of this world. But when we learn to do that, we are gonna be able to put love in everything. The world will be the best. As example, we are going to look at the Russian president Putin from the forgiveness vibration, from the love vibration, because in the reality he is a immortal and amazing, powerful immortal being, but he is so under a heavy vibrations of fear that blocks all the lights and the sounds of the love vibration to reach and to open the door to this guy can feel his heart. But imagine if all the humanity in the planet create thoughts with forgiveness for that guy, for that man, that human being, that war is gonna finish like this. And in the other hand, about the people from Ukraine, we are going to look at them, those feel sorries, all those victims vibrations. They are part of they are kind of low vibrations for fear. And those kind of low vibrations of victims and feel sorry, when you look the other side that is doing all those not good things with those other human beings, as Putin is doing, you are going to create more low vibrations. That doesn't help at all. Just puts the situation in the worst level of vibrations. What I'm trying to say for the people from Ukraine, all the help, all the good things that we can do to help those human beings is to help them, look at them as a powerful beings. So you are going to help them with love vibration. I'm here to help you, to give love for you, really love, not low vibration of feel sorry or victims. Really give love for you, people from Ukraine. I will send love for you from my mind. I will help you creating the reality around you, helping you with human beings that came in the flow of love vibration, not in the feel sorry of fear vibration. And that is gonna help more those people to raise, to wake up, trust, believe. Yeah? So, thank you very much from my heart, from my soul, from my dear Little Pepé, to all love you, dear immortal heart beings. Let's vibrate love. Let's wake up and call back our power as an immortal being. Bye. Thank you. Love you, love you, love you. You are love. You choose love. You create your reality with love vibrations.